Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're taking a closer look at NimbleRx, found at https://www.nimblerx.com. NimbleRx offers a powerful suite of tools designed to enhance your Roam research experience. From streamlined workflows to advanced features, NimbleRx aims to supercharge your productivity within the Roam ecosystem. Let's dive in and explore some of its key functionalities and how they can benefit your Roam workflow. One of the most significant advantages of using NimbleRx is its ability to simplify complex tasks within Roam. Whether you're managing large databases, conducting in-depth research, or simply trying to organize your daily notes, NimbleRx provides a set of intuitive tools to make the process more efficient. For users who find the native Roam interface a bit daunting, NimbleRx offers a refreshing alternative that can streamline your interaction with the platform. Furthermore, NimbleRx introduces a range of advanced features not found in standard Roam. These additions provide users with greater control and flexibility over their data. By extending the core functionality of Roam, NimbleRx allows you to tailor your experience to better suit your individual needs and workflows. This level of customization can be incredibly valuable for power users looking to maximize the potential of Roam research. Another aspect worth highlighting is the integration of NimbleRx with existing Roam features. The developers have clearly focused on creating a seamless experience that complements, rather than competes with, the core functionalities of Roam. This integration ensures that you can leverage the strengths of both platforms without experiencing any conflicts or disruptions in your workflow. Ultimately, NimbleRx is a valuable addition to the Roam research ecosystem. By simplifying complex tasks, introducing advanced features, and seamlessly integrating with existing functionalities, NimbleRx empowers users to unlock the full potential of Roam. Whether you're a seasoned Roam user or just starting your journey, exploring NimbleRx might be a worthwhile endeavor to enhance your Roam experience. Consider visiting their website at https://www.nimblerx.com to learn more and see how NimbleRx can transform your Roam workflow. I encourage you to explore the various features and discover how they can benefit your specific use case within Roam research. From improved organization to enhanced productivity, NimbleRx offers a range of tools designed to streamline and optimize your Roam experience.